In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a barcode conference in and out sheet. I've designed this originally for a conference in and out, but you could use it for anything that you need to record people's ins and outs. And so I have the attendance on the first sheet, and on the second sheet I have a list of their names and their ID numbers. So this would be on their ID badge or whatever they were given. And so let's go and let's put in somebody. Let's say 4444. This would be where you'd scan your barcode. Comes into the conference, and then just a second he forgot something, and so he has to leave again. So he scans back out again, and then you get his time. So let's put in 8888. And he comes in, and oh yeah, 444's come back. And just a minute, 444 forgot something else, so he's going to scan out again. So basically, it scans ins and outs every time you put the barcode in. So let me show you the code. So my code is called access. I've declared a bunch of things here, and I've declared that on my active sheet, the cells row 2, column 1 is where my barcode is scanned. Now, if the barcode is not blank, then what you're going to do is search for the barcode on the first sheet in the A column. If A does not find it, then if you don't find it on the first column, then what you do is you're going to install it. So active sheets column A finds the first blank. That's what this is doing. Finds the first blank cell in column A. Then it's going to put the barcode in column A, and it's going to put it in at the same format that it was in. And now what it does is it goes to sheet 2. Sheet 2 is where the names are, and then it's going to search in column A on the second sheet and find the barcode, and then it's going to find the name that's associated with that barcode. So now it's going to go back to the sheet 1, and it's going to offset by 1. So beside the barcode is the name, and then what you're going to do is offset another time, neither over, and you're going to put in the date. And this is the format for the date. Now it's going back to our original barcode spot and blanking that out, and then it's going to ND. ND is at the end here. If it does find it, then what you do is you declare the range row as the first row, and then what it does is it searches from there and looks to see if there's another one there. So if it can find another one, then it's going to find one that has the out time that's empty. It's going to put an out time in the empty cell, and then it's going to calculate the difference of the in time and the out time. Now, if it can't find one with an empty value, then it goes to restart and it adds another line in there. Then when it's calculating that it's time out minus time in, and this is the formatting for that, then what it does is it goes and it clears out the active sheet cells 2-2, and then it selects active sheet cells 2-1. I will, of course, include the code in my description of my video. Please subscribe.